This tastes like veal.
The flavor deceives you. It is fillet of sea snake.
Huh? I suppose this isn't lamb, then.
That is brisket of blowfish with sea squirt dressing, basted in barnacles.
It's very good. In fact, it's better than lamb.
Yes, my cook excels in preparing these various products. You're not finished, are you?
Well, just the main course. Pass the cream, mate, huh?
The cream is, of course, milk from the giant sperm whale. And those delicious fruits you're eating are actually preserves made from sea cucumbers.
Well, I'd never have guessed it. They are excellent.
Eat your pudding, Mr. Land.
I ain't sure it's pudding. What is it?
It's my own recipe. Sauté of unborn octopus.